ATS, the better way home.
I'd heard from my friends, once you live in an ATS home, you don't want to live anywhere else. Having lived here for the last 10 years, I agree with them. Safe, secure, well-maintained, beautiful surroundings. What more could you ask? We all love being part of the ATS family.
We were really worried moving back from the US after almost 20 years about finding a home, and living in ATS has been one of the best decisions we could have ever made. It's such a beautiful, wonderful place to call home. I call this our oasis in the city. You drive into ATS and you see these beautiful fountains, these landscape gardens, palm trees, such greenery unlike anything you get to see in the city. In the evening, there are about 100 kids running wild in the garden, and my son is amongst one of those. And it's just fantastic to have a place which is so safe and secure that you don't have to worry about a thing. So we're so glad to be part of the ATS community, so happy to be part of the ATS family.
Living at ATS is like living in a luxury resort. I start my day here at the clubhouse gym with great equipment and a great bunch of people to keep me company.
I moved into ATS about 3 years back, and I really love it because in the morning I start my day with tennis, and everything is great. Inside, the lawns are lush green, there's a swimming pool, you have everything that you can need for. The facilities are great. The people somehow who live with us have been chosen from all walks of life, and they're fantastic. It's an extremely good ATS family that lives here together.
Ever since we moved into ATS, we started to spend so much of time together as a family. The kid has so much of place around to play, outdoor as well as indoor. Even for us, there's so many facilities like there's gym, there's swimming, there's meditation, there's yoga, so many co-curricular activities.
Once you start living in ATS, you can't live anywhere else.
We could have not thought of a better home than ATS to raise our child.
I'm Mrs. Veena Gandhi, living in ATS Prelude. It's a beautiful atmosphere, wonderful greenery. I'm enjoying the most. I've been living in Chandigarh, Sector 4, but still I'm not missing it. My children come from Delhi. They all love this ATS Prelude, and the gym and the swimming pool is wonderful.
Living in ATS is like living in my dream house. It's just perfect. One of my favorite things about living here is to spend time in the outdoors like this. I've lived here for 5 years now, and I've got an amazing group of friends. We usually hang out at the clubhouse and we spend hours into playing tennis, squash, pool, swimming, gymming, and then filling our tummies at the Uncle Sam Bakery. Well, I can go on and on and on because there's just so much that I love about living here.
My favorite things at ATS are swimming in the swimming pool, riding my bicycle in the driveway, and playing with my friends in the playground.
We're very happy to be part of the ATS family here in ATS Golf Meadows, Deerabassi. We found a perfect place, a perfect home to move back to India and relocate after living in Canada for 10 years.
What we really like about ATS is that they really put a lot of emphasis on the overall environment. Like, you know, the landscaping is really beautiful. The security is a prerequisite, I think, for ATS people, and they've made sure that everybody has a secure environment. The state-of-the-art clubhouse, you know, the basketball courts, the billiards. Another big thing is the ATS Valley School, and which, you know, my daughter is attending, and I practically walk her to school every day.
It's right there in Chandigarh without the urban chaos on the Delhi highway, and there's an international airport coming up right next door. So it's a beautiful location, very well set, and we're very happy that we made this choice of living in ATS Golf Meadows.
We moved to ATS Prelude 8 months back, and it's a wonderful community, lot of green area and lot of playroom for my daughter. She's loving it here. She gets to play in a garden area. It's a beautiful place. We get to see greenery here, and it's lovely to be here. I'm very happy. My whole family is very happy.
A peaceful home is essential for a child to thrive in. And tranquility does not come from the four walls of a home, but from the environment that surrounds it. We are lucky to have discovered ATS and we love it.
My favorite thing to do with my mom and dad is to go downstairs and play basketball, badminton, go down for swimming, and do many other activities. I just love ATS.
I just love cooking with my mom at ATS.